Hey there! Here are your top news stories from eWEEK, sponsored by Dell and Intel. Today's topics include Samsung's preparations to introduce its latest line of mobile devices, a new memory architecture from Intel and Micron technology, questions about the security of certain models of Brink's digital safes, and the release of Salesforce Lightning components and App Exchange for components. Samsung plans to unveil the latest edition of its flagship mobile devices at a special Samsung Unpacked 2015 preview event on August 13th at Lincoln Center in New York City, about a month before the usual September launch date, so it can try to beat Apple in the marketplace. The most prominent models in the Unpacked 2015 lineup will likely be the Note 5 phablet, as well as an even larger version of the Galaxy S6 Edge smartphone, which was just introduced in April with its standard Galaxy S6 stablemate. Intel and Micron Technology have jointly developed a new memory architecture that officials say will enable computer processors to more quickly access massive data archives, an essential capability in light of such trends as the proliferation of connected devices, cloud computing, and big data analytics. In a press conference with analysts and journalists July 28th, Intel and Micron executives jointly unveiled the 3D XPoint technology, calling it the first new memory architecture since the introduction of NAND flash in 1989. According to new research scheduled to be presented at the DefCon 23 conference in Las Vegas on August 8th, certain models of Brink's CompuSafe digital safes can be exploited to enable an attacker to crack a safe within 60 seconds and steal whatever cash may be stored inside. The model in question is Brink's CompuSafe Galileo, which is intended for use in retail stores as a cash management system. Building on last year's release of its easy-to-use visual developer platform Lightning, Salesforce has announced the availability of Salesforce Lightning components and the App Exchange for components. The idea behind Lightning is to simplify the development of enterprise mobile apps via a point-and-click user interface, drop-down menus, and templates. Components, which include handy functions such as search, mapping, compensation, calculator, and calendar, can be easily added to Lightning apps as needed. The App Exchange for components gives users an online store where developers pick and choose Salesforce components as well as those offered by third parties. Thanks for watching. Follow the links on this page to learn more about the stories mentioned in this broadcast, and check back every weekday for another daily tech briefing from eWEEK.com.